O Jason Perkins, one unhappy man at Phoenix. Ano mga possibilities dito?
Well, dininay ng Phoenix, obviously, at saka ni Perk na hindi daw siya. Pero may nagbulong sa akin and I always place implicit trust yung mga sources natin. So, nakakapirma lang kasi ni Jason Perkins in a 3-year contract max extension last December. So, he's not going anywhere and Phoenix would be a fool to let him go. Pero, importante dyan, kung unhappy man talaga si Perkins, it's incumbent on the organization to make sure he's happy. Kasi he's your best player, your best, not only your franchise player, but your best player at the same time. So, ang sinabi sa akin daw is, hindi na siya happy nung game against Ginebra, natalang sila 102-92 dahil di daw siya ginamit sa fourth quarter. He was used scantily. In the game overall, 28 minutes. Your best player, lalaro ng 28 minutes against Ginebra. So tinanong ko si Coach Jamaic Jarin ng Phoenix. Sabi ko, Coach, unhappy yata eh. Sabi niya, di ako maniwala yan, close kami. But anyway, he entertained my question. Sabi, anong nasabi sa'yo? Why is he unhappy? Sabi ko, hindi mo raw ginamit sa Ginebra. Doon siya nagtampo. Sabi ni Coach Jarin, kasi hindi ko ginamit foul trouble. So sinabi ko naman, Coach, 2 fouls lang siya the entire game. So sabi naman ni Coach Jamaic, nag-swelling yung knee. So ano ba? Which is which? Diba? Was it a swollen knee or was it the foul trouble? Either way, isang opisyal ng Phoenix nagsabi sa akin, huwag mo isulat yan dahil di naman base sa relationship ang isang game. Sabi ko, it's not for you to decide whether I write the story or not. Our obligation is, kung may feed sa amin yung mga sources, we cannot just dismiss it, di ba?
Mas kasalanan.
Because there is
kaya nga, mas kasalanan nyo pag hindi natin nilabas. Di ba? Yan ang mantra ng mga media men eh. Di ba? Mas may kasalanan.
Yan ang sabi ko, boss. It's either marites or malpractice. So we have an obligation to, when something as big, potentially big as a story of a disgruntled star na hindi happy,